Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RYK YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Face ID is not working when iPhone screen is locked with passcode. When your iPhone screen is locked with passcode, Face ID is not working. Face ID not unlock my iPhone. Face ID not recognize my face. So guys, if you are facing this issue on iPhone, keep watching the video until the end and follow all steps to fix Face ID not recognize your face when the iPhone is locked with passcode. Number one is restart your iPhone and fix your problem. Sometimes a simple restart can fix all problems. Press the volume up button, volume down button, and press the power button until you see Apple logo appears on screen. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, wait 5 to 10 seconds. When iPhone is completely rebooted, your problem is fixed. Enter your passcode and you can see appears on screen iPhone is unlocked. Then you can see appears on screen again. You can see Face ID is working. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying this solution number 2. Solution number 2 is check your iOS update. Tap on the settings. Tap on general. Tap on software update. If update is pending or available, download and install the update and fix your problem. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying this solution number 3. Solution number 3 is reset all settings. Tap on settings. Tap on general. Little bit scroll up. Tap on transfer or reset. Tap on reset. Reset all settings. Enter your iPhone passcode. Reset all settings. Enter your screen time passcode. Reset all settings and fix your problem. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying this solution number 4. Solution number 4 is reset Face ID. Tap on settings. Little bit scroll up. Tap on Face ID and passcode. Enter your iPhone passcode. Little bit scroll up. Reset your Face ID, reset Face ID and set up Face ID again and fix your problem. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, make sure your iPhone Face ID is properly working. Remove the protector and glass protector from your iPhone and clean the TrueDepth camera and fix your problem. If all solutions are not working, now visit the nearest Apple store or authorized dealer to fix Face ID is not recognized your face when iPhone screen is locked. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.